ovo pizda. Oh. So I was talking with some guys from Switzerland. It's a father and son who are staying here on vacations in Ljubljana, and they are doing some laps, and they said, oh, I got dirt in my eye. Oh, I must say that's not really pleasant. I must say that they had said that the trails are really good when here, as you can see, very slippery, and they told me that the parts with leaves are very slippery, so I need to be careful to not crash on my first lap. I must say 510 shoes are really the best shoes for mountain biking. I've tried quite a few, but probably, if you ask me, every mountain bike specific shoe is good for riding, so very, 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 very slippery.